Hey there, I'm going to show you how to get started testing on Alooba in 60 seconds. Once you've signed up, choose the test that's tailored to the role you're hiring. You can preview the questions if you like. Once you've created your assessment, invite candidates using the unique link, one by one, in bulk, or with your ATS. As soon as the candidates have completed their test, you can review their results. They're easy to interpret and offer deep insights into your candidate's skills far beyond a resume. We recommend inviting top performers to an interview. Beyond the basics, you might like to refine your assessment. You can control all aspects of your assessment from the settings page, including choosing the tests, skills, questions, cheating prevention measures, and more. You can take the test yourself, add your colleagues to help with the hiring, add your own questions via the question bank, and connect your ATS from the settings page. If you get stuck, check out our documentation, schedule a demo, or just ping us an email. We'd be happy to help. Best of luck with your hiring.